Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Creative Brain. Choose the correct article for the sentences below. Let's see how many of you will do the right guess. Let's start. Number 1. She is eating dash apple. She is eating an apple. They visited dash museum. They visited the museum. She found dash book. She found the book. He found dash coin. He found a coin. He opened dash fridge. He opened the fridge. We need dash extra chair. We need an extra chair. I saw dash cat outside. I saw a cat outside. He picked up dash phone. He picked up the phone. Tina is dash good girl. Tina is a good girl. This is the last one. She bought dash orange. She bought an orange. Who among you guessed all the questions correctly? Please comment below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.